Sorry, my last video was cut short. I'll go ahead and start where I left off. Just a reminder that a fraction is nothing more than a division problem. So when you are changing a fraction into a decimal, you are going to divide. Now, if your numerator, the one on top, is less than your denominator, the one on the bottom, you will have a decimal that is less than 1. If your numerator is greater than your denominator, then you will have at least one whole number in there, if not more, depending on the number. So again, you have 3 divided by 8, because a fraction line just means division. So the top number, the numerator, will always go on the inside, and the denominator will go on the outside. You need to make sure that you put that decimal there and bring it up, because if you didn't, you would have how many times 8 goes into 30, but it's not. It's how many times 8 goes into 3. Well, 8 doesn't go into 3, so you need to put that 0 there. And you have 8 times 0, which is 0. 3 minus 0, which is 3. Bring down that 0. 8 goes into 30 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Then you're going to subtract. You're going to have to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then you're going to bring down another 0. Remember, you can add as many zeros as you want this way, because it doesn't change the value. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. You're going to have to borrow again. 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring down another 0. You're going to keep bringing down zeros until you have nothing else here. It's 0. Or until you notice that there's a pattern, a repeated pattern. So 8 goes into 40. How many times? 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So you've come to an end. So that's how you know, because if you keep bringing zeros down, it's just going to go in 0 times. So that's how you know you are done. So 3/8 in decimal form is 375 thousandths.